Welcome back to Crypto Gains for another video. I want to show you what I see in the Bitcoin price chart, more specifically the altcoins. It's doing something truly unique right now. If it sounds interesting, drop the like and subscribe. Take a look at this. Not financial advice, you know the deal. Right now, I've got the altcoins. This is total market cap 2, which basically shows all of the money that's inside excluding Bitcoin, so Ethereum and all of the other altcoins, all of the big money that's here, right? And this one's important because you need Ethereum, you need Solana, you need XRP and all these big ones to create this powerful chart, which obviously people know, right? Right here, it's forming this thing called a hidden bullish divergence. I want to explain what this is. And the reason it's powerful is because it's happening at a time where Bitcoin is catching a bounce, right? Because, you know, if you've been watching my channel, I showed you the chart analysis on this here, these indicators, which is the moving averages, right? And it's catching a bounce, Bitcoin right now, which is good. I mean, it's in the Gaussian there, but it is catching a bounce. So you can see here as well, my 3-day time frame for Bitcoin is catching a bounce up. Hopefully this 3-day time frame can close above this red line so we can see what happens. But regardless of Bitcoin, it's this, that's the exciting part for me. A hidden bullish divergence is a powerful thing because it has the power to flip markets completely or just flip trends completely. So even though we've been in a downtrend over the last, look, because if you look, this is the weekly time frame, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, for the last 2 months, Bitcoin has been on a downtrend, right? It's weird because it feels like it's gone so quick, meaning that it's happened like a week ago or something, but this has been happening for months because every candle you see is a week's worth of price action, right? So the last 2 months we've been on a downtrend, and you see here, so this is how the hidden divergence works, the bullish one. You have a lower price, and then it bounces up and it comes down and makes a higher price, right? So a high, and then a high in the price action. And whilst that's doing that, in your indicators, you have on the RSI, for example, here, a low and then a lower low, right? So take a good look at this. I've drawn 2 white lines. In the price action, looks like a slant going up, and on the indicator, a slant going down. You can also see this to be true on the stochastic RSI as well, right? You had your first slant here, your high here, and then a lower high, right? So it doesn't matter which one you look at, it's showing it on both indicators, right? We'll use this one for now. Take a look at this. This is an example of what we call a hidden bullish divergence. It's where you see price action. You've got one price that's low, and then it comes back and bounces up and comes back down and makes a second high. So we just take a look again, right? And again, this is the altcoins. We've got one price here. It bounces around and comes and makes a second high. And as it's doing this, you know, low or high, high, the indicator is going low and a lower low, right? So you take a look again, your indicator's got a low and a lower low. Hidden bullish divergence. How does it look then afterwards? What could price really do with something like this? Well, here's another example of what prices could really do with a hidden bullish divergence. So we'll just focus on this part right here, because here's your example. You got your bounce you got your first price action here, and notice this. With this candle here, before it, we had price action that was lower. So if you take a look at where we are, we've got these candles here, and we had price action that was lower in the past, but we're focusing on this bit here. So you got on this indicator, or on this example here, you got prices here, it comes up, comes down, makes another high. Look at what's happening with the price after that. And let's just take a look at the RSI in this example. Look, low and another a lower low. So this is what a hidden bullish divergence is. They're really hard to come across, but if you see it, it could be a powerful move to the upside. And if it's to come, this could very well come for the altcoins in the future. A huge move up. Maybe we might get that rally that people have been hoping for all along, causing this to just come collapsing down, this dominance of Bitcoin. And then, yeah, that can actually give people a chance to actually make some massive gains. So I'm going to, leave it here. I want to just show you what I'm seeing. I'm excited for this because I have been buying crypto in the big drop. Did you buy any? Drop your comments down below. What did you buy? What are you excited for? I think AI cryptocurrencies can do really well if we are to see like a big move up in altcoins. And again, this is on the weekly time frame for the total 2. Yeah, everything excluding Bitcoin. We'll see what happens with this in the future. Guys, like and subscribe, stick around. See you in the next video. Cheers.